Okay, everybody, back with another one. Today I'll be working on my in-laws 2013 Q5, Audi Q5 here. Their blower fan's not working for the dash, so they've got no heat, no air conditioning, nothing like that. They went ahead and purchased one already. Duralast model from Autozone. This guy right here. The location of this is underneath the glove box, or behind the glove box, however you want to say it. So we will have to take it out, but there's a panel here, and then this whole glove box assembly with a series of bolts comes out, and then you unplug the light for the glove box light, and then you can access the blower motor, and then there's a resistor and all kinds of stuff. So they're fairly certain that it's the blower, but I'm going to be testing it just to make sure. Typically, if it's the blower, if you knock it a couple times, it may start working again, because how these fans work is it's just a brushed motor, right? And so back here in the back, if you hit it in the back here, the brushes sometimes will reactivate and they'll start going. So once I get access to it, I'm going to try that. I'm going to knock it with my hand or with a hammer or something like that to see if it'll start spinning again. And if it does, then we'll know for sure that it's actually the motor and not the resistors causing the problem. These are just finger screws, and then this foam piece comes out here. And then there's your motor right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the key in the car, and I'm going to tap on that and see if I can get it going again. How do you turn the fan speed up on this thing? It's too fancy for me. Why is it only going to 7? That's weird. Let me start the car. Oh, I have to have my brake, foot on the brake, huh? Okay, fan 1. Why won't it go all the way up? That's weird. Alright, well, we're gonna pull it out anyway. These are all 8mm bolts. Yeah, those two there. There we go. And then right there you got another one. Inside the glove box here, you've got, come on light, cooperate. You got a screw there, one in the back here, and then up in the front you've got screw, 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 and I think that might be it. I'm missing one. Alright, I still got something attached here. Huh. What have we got? Still, the bolt's still in that one, I guess. Oh, there it goes. And there's cable here you can unplug like that. And then this harness, I'm just going to leave that connected. And then swing that around, set it up on the center console, out of the way, like that. Now we have full access to the blower motor. This is that resistor right there. That could be bad. We don't know for sure, but since we've got the new blower motor, I'm just going to go ahead and unplug the old one and then put the new one in, see if it works. And if that doesn't work, well, by process of elimination, we know it's the resistor. Plug out, take you a screwdriver, just kind of push in on the little piece there and then pull with your other hand, and that pops out right there. So you're pushing on that little tab there, pull that out. And then for the blower motor, there's a little finger tab down here. There it is, right there. You're going to push down on that and then twist the motor. So it's going to look something like this, if you guys can see in the camera. You push down and then twist like that, and that comes out. So it's actually pretty simple once you get the glove box out of the way. Order for everything. You're going to shove the motor back in, the new one, and then hold the tab down with your finger, or you don't have to, I guess. You can just twist it, it'll lock in place. Come on. There we go. And then plug the plug in. There. That's the installation of that. Now, let's see if that actually fixed it. I don't hear it turning on. Not a good sign. Oh, there it goes. Yep. That was it. That actually worked. Fan speed. Yep, down. I think when the car is on, it'll go to 11. But yeah, all right. That's good news. We don't have to replace the resistor. And at this point, it's just reverse order. Bolt everything back up. Glove box is back in. Now let's check and make sure that the blower motor goes all the way. All the way to 11. Oh, 12 now. Oh yeah. Yeah, what are you beeping at? Stop it. Alright. That's it. It's working. Fantastic. Alright. Well, that's all there is to it, guys. If you like what I do on this channel, please maybe consider subscribing, and every once in a while hit that like button for me. We'll see you guys in the next video.